Introducing the 2025 Skoda Octavia C SB with a powerful 2.0 TDI engine and 115 horsepower, perfect for those seeking a reliable and efficient ride. This estate model in sleek grey features top-of-the-line comfort and convenience options, including air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, and ambient lighting. The vehicle is equipped with a host of safety features such as ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. With exterior highlights like roof rails and interior luxuries like cup holders and a load cover, this Skoda Octavia is as stylish as it is practical. Plus, the added security features like the trailer stability program make this vehicle a top choice for families on the go. Rest assured, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Contact us today at spiritskoda.ie for more information.